Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to contact Snapchat support. But before getting started with this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, I'm opening my Snapchat application and then I'm clicking on my profile icon, and now I'm clicking on settings icon to the upper right hand corner and scrolling down and clicking on I need help, contact us, and from here I'm selecting this option. I think my account was compromised, and scrolling down, and here we can see a contact form. So we need to put our email address, which one is associated with our Snapchat account, and here we have to include our phone number. Here we have to provide as much details as possible, such as why you think your account may be hacked. So here you have to put your description and then you have to click on send. So this was the way we can contact with Snapchat support. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.